Baby love balls!
Hello friends, my name is Lorraine and this is Oriana, and today we're going to be reading Moon and Me. Have you ever seen the moon in the night sky? Let's read. Moon and Me from The Little Seed by Andrew Davenport, illustrated by Mariko Umeda. Moon and Me. Hush, hush, says the moon. It's time to go to sleep. Lie down, Pepe Nana. Close your eyes. Don't you peep. This is the way we go to sleep. Lie down, Mr. Onion. Collywobble. Sleepy Debilo. Little Nana. Lampkin. And lily plant, some water for you. Here's something for you to find when you wake up. Some coloured tissue paper. Night, night. Moon, can we have a story? A story, says the moon. What a good idea. This is the story of one special night when the moon was shining brightly. The story of how Pepe Nana met a new friend, Moon Baby. One special night. Whenever the moon shines on Pepe Nana, she wakes up. She walks and talks and plays. Pepe Nana is a very magical toy indeed. Look, she's waking up right now. Hello, Pepe Nana. Tiddle toddle. Pepe Nana went looking for her friends, but nobody was awake. So do you know what Pepe Nana did? Pepe Nana sat down at her desk with her favourite pencil and wrote a magical letter. Do you know who to? To the moon. It went like this. Tiddle toddle, please come to tea and we can have a story. Yours lovingly, out of the window, Pepe Nana. Pepe Nana sent her a tiny letter with a magical kiss. Mwah. Away went the tiny letter to the moon. A visitor from the moon. Pepe Nana didn't know that on the moon lived Moon Baby. Look, here comes the tiny letter. Moon Baby had never seen a letter before. The tiny envelope landed right next to him. He opened it. Tiddle toddle, please come to tea and we can have a story. Yours lovingly, out of the window, Pepe Nana. Moon Baby wanted to visit Pepe Nana very much. He picked up his magical kalimba, put on his yellow gloves and pulled up his hood. He was ready to go. Moon Baby flew all the way down from the moon. Look up to the sky. You might see him go by. Moon Baby landed, bump, right in front of the toy house. He put down his hood and took off his yellow gloves. He pressed the big toy doorbell. Ding dong, ding dong. Pepe Nana hurried down the stairs to answer the door. Tiddle toddle, she said. Moon Baby has come to visit. He blew Pepe Nana a kiss. Mwah. Come in, said Pepe Nana. Time for Moon Baby to wake up Pepe Nana's friends. Moon Baby played his magical kalimba, and one by one the toys woke up. Pepe Nana was very excited to see her friends. Everybody is awake, she said. Thank you, Moon Baby. I love you song. I love you more than a sunny day, more than the Milky Way, more. I love you more in every way, more than a song can say. So many stories wait for us each day, every day a way to say I love you. I love you. Tissue flowers. Inside the little toy house, everybody was very busy. Look what I found in the curiosity box, said Pepe Nana. Tissue paper. I'm going to make something. And me, and me, and me, and me, and me. Tissue flowers are easy to make, said Pepe Nana. And I think she was right about that. Everybody set to work crunching and bunching the colourful tissue paper, but little Nana found it hard to make a tissue flower. I'm too little, she thought. She scrunched up her paper into a ball. Oh dear, it didn't look much like a flower. Little Nana felt sad. Poop, poop. When everybody had finished their flowers, Pepe Nana asked Lily Plant to choose which she liked best. Lily Plant looked at little Nana's tissue ball. Oh, my dears, I like that one best, she said, because it looks like a seed. Little Nana felt happy. It's a magical seed, she said. And Pepe Nana said, what a useful thing for a story. Time for Moon Baby to take us to Storyland. Moon Baby took out his magical kalimba and played some very magical music. The little seed. Once upon a time, little Nana planted her magical seed. Mr. Onion watered it. Moon Baby played magical music, and do you know what happened? It grew, and it grew, and it grew. Tiddle toddle, said Pepe Nana. Little Nana's little seed has grown into a very tall beanstalk. And I think she was right about that. Poop, poop, said little Nana. Let's climb the beanstalk to see what's at the top. We always do things together, said Pepe Nana. So up they climbed, up and up and up, higher and higher and higher, until they reached the very top of the beanstalk. And what do you think they saw? It was the most enormous tissue paper flower you ever did see. You should meet our friend Lily Plant, said Pepe Nana. My dears, I should be delighted, said the flower. So Moon Baby played some magical music, and right there beside them in the clouds, their toy house appeared, and Lily Plant looked out. Everyone is special. Oh, my dears, said Lily Plant, how lovely to see you all. They talked together for a very long time. The tissue flower was very happy to see Lily Plant too. What are they talking about? Wondered little Nana. All the things that plants like, said Mr. Onion. Sunny days, bees, rain, and tablecloths. Tiddle toddle, said Pepe Nana. How lovely that we have a new friend. And they all showed their new friend the tissue paper flowers they made. Everyone is special, said the enormous flower. And I think she was right about that. The friendship song. Friendship is a seed we grow. Water the seed and watch it grow. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Sometimes it takes time to show. Water the seed, it won't be long. Friendship will grow tall and strong. The most important thing I know. Friendship is a seed we sow. Water the seed and watch it grow. Water the seed and watch it grow. At last, it was time to say goodbye to their new friend. What a very special day it's been, said the enormous flower. Lily Plant fluttered her petals and everybody waved their tissue paper flowers. Goodbye, new friend, they all said. Time for tea. Tiddle toddle, said Pepe Nana. What a lovely story of our lovely new friend. All grown from little Nana's little seed, said Mr. Onion. And I think he was right about that. Tiddle toddle, said Pepe Nana. We made a lovely story. And everybody thought she was right about that. Hush, hush, says the moon. It's time to go to sleep. Close your eyes, don't you peep. This is the way we go to sleep. Good night, everybody. Everybody went to find their own bed. Good night, Dibberlo. Good night, Mr. Onion. Good night, Lampkin. Good night, little Nana. Good night, Collie Wobble. Good night, Lily Plant. Pepe Nana said goodbye to the Moon Baby. Write me another letter soon, he said. Moon Baby took out his magical kalimba and played magical music. Then he blew Pepe Nana a kiss. Mwah! Bye-bye, Moon Baby, said Pepe Nana, and off he flew back to the moon. Tiddle toddle, Pepe Nana climbed the toy house stairs to her own very bed. Pepe Nana pulled the cozy covers up around her. She laid her head on the pillow and closed her eyes. Tiddle toddle, she said as she fell asleep. Good night, Pepe Nana. Good night, Moon Baby. And that is the end of the story. The end. Did you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. What was your favourite part? I liked when Pepe Nana wrote a letter to the moon. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.